Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Today, it's all about the Great British Scone. The ingredients are quite simple. It's 350 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 85 grams of butter cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, 175 ml of plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a squeeze of lemon juice, and your jam and your cream. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt plus your 1 teaspoon of baking powder to your flour and stir in. Next, we're going to add in our 85 grams of vegan butter, which has been cut into cubes, and we're going to gently, using our fingertips, mix that in until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Now we're going to add in our sugar and stir that in really well. To our 175 ml of plant-based milk, we're going to add about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. To the milk and lemon juice, we're also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After about 1 minute, we're then going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And we're going to use just a knife just to stir it all together, making sure that it's thoroughly combined. Use your hand to bring the mixture, the dough, together. We're going to use our hand to flatten out our dough. Do not use a rolling pin. Use the palm of your hands just to press it down. We're now going to use round cutters to cut out our scone shapes. Place the scones on a lightly greased baking tray. Place them in the oven at gas mark 200 for between 10 to 12 minutes. And here we have our scones. Now for the fun, yummy part. We're going to get some strawberry jam, going to cut our scone, put some jam on the scone. I got some vegan whipped cream, squirted that on, then put the two together and delicious.